But there's some good news about the importance of focusing on data. Organizations that clean their data report increased revenue. And I don't know if it's 70%, but again, these are stats from all over the place, not just marketing data. But certainly being able to better target, is going to bring in more revenue. And frankly, in a law firm, if we can't effectively share information about what the lawyers do and changes in the law and their expertise and experience, we can't develop business. So without, a core base of good data to market to, we can't set them up for success in business development. The other thing, if nothing else convinces anybody, it's less than $1 to verify a record when it's entered. It's negligible. $10 to scrub it or clean it later, and $100 if nothing gets done. I like these stats because it shows you the long-term implications of having bad data, making bad decisions, not reaching the right people, not closing that deal, not getting that new work because you had the wrong information, the wrong person got invited, and the right person didn't. So the sooner you start, the better off you'll be and the less it will cost.